Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 TIG welding machines. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is TIG 200P. Specifications. Brand name, TIG. Plug type, EU plug. Model number, TIG 200P. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE function, MMA/TIG. Input voltage, 1P 220 volts, 1P 220 volts. Rated input power, 6 kVA/5 kVA. Rated input current, 27 amperes to 23 amperes. Output current, 20 to 160 amperes to 10 to 190 amperes. No load voltage, 65 plus 5 volts. Item number 4 is TIG 200P. Specifications. Brand name, TIG. Dimensions, 496 by 212 by 380. Is smart device? No. Usage, welding. Rated duty cycle, 40%. Pulse frequency, 0.2 to 20 Hz. Arc current, 200 amperes. Model number, TIG 200P AC/DC. Certification, CE. Origin, mainland China. As the item number 3, we've selected Hitbox 4-in-1 AC/DC TIG welding machine. Specifications. Model number, HBT 250P AC/DC. Function 1, TIG AC/DC welding machine. Function 2, Arc MMA stick welding machine. Function 3, TIG pulse welding. Rated input voltage, VAC 220V plus 10%, 50/60 Hz. Rated input power, kVA 5.8. Rated input current, 826.3. Arc rated output current and voltage, 180A/27.2V. Plug type, EU plug. Is smart device? No. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE. Item number 2 is Andeli TIG 250 MPL. Specifications. Brand name, Andeli. Usage, welding material. Dimensions, 485 by 275 by 370 millimeters. Pilot arc current, 5 to 250. Pulse frequency, 50 to 60 Hz. Model number, TIG 250 MPL. Certification, CE. Origin, mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Svogin Aluminum AC DC TIG welding machine. Specifications. Brand name, Svogin. Model number, HVT 250P AC/DC. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE. Function 1, TIG AC/DC welding machine. Function 2, Arc MMA stick welding machine. Function 3, TIG pulse welding. Rated input voltage, AC 220 volts plus 50 to 60 Hz. Rated input power, kVA 5.8. Rated input current, 826.3. Arc rated output current and voltage, 180 amperes, 27.2 volts. TIG rated output current and voltage, 200 amperes, 18 volts.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.